The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Broome County, southwestern Delaware County, northeastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 7 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sherman, or 7 miles southwest of Deposit, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Sherman around 6:30 p.m. Deposit and Sanford around 6:40 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Life is sweeter with her around.